Hey everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of the TCL 50XL NXTPaper 5G. This one is through Straight Talk, through Walmart. This was $100. This is what you get in it, and there's some other stuff on there if you want to read through that. You have the 1 terabyte micro SD card. That is pretty cool. And this is only a $100 phone through Straight Talk. Not sure if you can get these unlocked or not. So we have some paperwork here. We have the phone, we'll come back to in a second. Then we have our looks to be very long USB-C cable. And then the phone itself. All right, I took it out of the packaging there. I think this is a very nice looking phone. For being a $100 phone, like it says TCL here. The back of it is very nice looking. I think it's like a dark blue, like a super dark blue. This is very unique looking. Multiple cameras there, flash. It says 50 megapixel hybrid camera. It has some texture around the camera. So looking around here, so we have our speaker, USB-C mic. Actually has a headphone jack. Crazy the things that a cheaper phone have that, you know, $1,000 plus phones not even have. Our SIM card ejector spot, another mic, volume rocker, and our power button. And it's very hard to tell, well, kind of hard to tell this on camera, but the display, even being off, has a very different look to it than a normal phone. I also just unboxed this A26 from Samsung. You guys can see the difference in screener. There's like no reflections on the TCL. This has a whole bunch of reflections. That is really cool. I'm very excited to try that out. So you do have a little bit of a chin down here, but again, not bad for a budget friendly phone. I'll round it a little bit too, but again, it's not bad. Like, very nice looking phone. I'm impressed with this so far. One thing I'm not seeing in the box, which is weird, is a SIM ejector tool. Maybe I'm just missing it. But I went ahead and grabbed one of my many other ones I have. So this should have the micro SD expansion slot on it. So yep, so there is SIM card, which I'm not going to use. Then we have the expansion slot there as well for SD, micro SD. So up to 1 terabyte it says on there. So that is very, very cool. This is a very nice looking phone. I'm very impressed by the way it looks. The way it feels, it just looks like a decent phone. This to me does not scream budget friendly phone. This looks like a mid-tier phone to me. But stay tuned, I'll be doing a bunch of videos on this along with the A26. Like I said, I also just unboxed, and we'll do a whole bunch of comparisons and whatnot. Very excited for this one though. The screen looks really cool, even not being on. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.